Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This is Saturday today. I had these ordered. They were supposed to arrive Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, but these two, the 8902 and this one, got here today. This is a Marx 10,005 that I picked up for $13. This is a wind-up, of course. But in about 10 minutes, it's going to be a powered locomotive. Boy, this is really excellent packing, huh? All right, there's the locomotive. Wow. I mean, that's pretty bad. Anyway, the 10,005 wind-up locomotive in fairly decent shape. A bit bent here and there, but it is intact, it is complete, and it is a wind-up, of course. So I'll pull the motor out and just do a motor swap, and I have a 10,005 up and running. So I'll pull the camera off the tripod. Absolutely dreadful packing. Terrible, dreadful packing. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's far from perfect, but it was worth 13 bucks. It's got a rub mark or something on it there. I can't tell. It looks like it's paint, actually. It was a sticker. It's sticker residue. I can see that. All right, we can get that off with no problem. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just swap an electric motor into this. And I have a 10,005. So I got to pull the motor out, straighten the body out a bit. But it was worth $13. There's no doubt about that. So I'll get this straightened out, do the motor swap. I'll do a follow-up video with this running. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. The 10,005, these things are usually expensive. I just happened to cross this one. And being a wind-up, of course, it's only of interest to certain people. So put a bid on it, and here it is, 13 bucks. So like I said, I'll put a motor in this. It only takes a second to do the motor swap. Pull out the screws, drop in an electric motor, put the screws back in, and it is ready to run. So in any case, I wanted to do an unboxing on this, and I'll get that motor installed. I got to straighten out the body and do a bit of judicious tweaking on it, but it's actually in fairly decent condition. So a 10,005, 13 bucks on eBay. So I'll get the motor swap. I'll do a follow-up video, see if I can get this residue off the paint without damaging it. We'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.